Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free animation for your Roblox avatar. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Roblox application on my PC, and then I'm going to go to my avatar menu. Okay, and then if you want to get the animation, you can go to the animations right here. And as you can see that these are the paid animation, or we need to pay to get all this animation. But don't worry, if you want the free animations, you can just filter the price. You can click on this filter icon, and then you're going to input the price range. I'm going to input 0 so we can get free animation. Okay, click on apply, and these are the free animations that you can apply to your Roblox avatar. And for me, I'm going to choose the salute animation. Okay, and as you can see that the animation has been applied to my avatar. If you want to change it, just click on the animation that you want to apply. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get free animations for Roblox avatar. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!